Hi Molly, it's Lee Reed. I'm able to now duplicate the problem with the key that we thought came down to reprogramming and a battery change. As you can see, my key is right here. When I go over to hit the start button, I'm going to get the no key detected message. And this is what happens when it's above 90 degrees or 80 or so degrees, which let's see, it shows to be now. If I look at the weather, we could see that in Grand Prairie, just down the street from your dealership, it is 90 degrees right now. And this happens only when it is above about 80 or 90 degrees. Now, if I take the key and put it down in here, all's well. But if I try to use the button to click on or click open the doors, that doesn't work. Okay, so now if I take that out, I'm curious. If I take it out and try it again, no key detected. And this is in the space of 2 minutes. So let me get out, see if my intelligent access doesn't work to lock the car. As you can see, pressing the button to lock it doesn't work to lock it. So, of course, there's the added frustration of when it's 90 degrees and you're it just locked. When it's 90 degrees and you're walking to your car, the last thing you want to do is wait outside for 5 minutes trying to figure out why it won't unlock. But in this case, it did unlock and lock with the key fob. Now, intelligent access is working. Well, I said it's working, but that's locking, that's unlocking. But as you can see, it is at least intermittent. So brake, and now it starts. So I don't know that I would call this one fixed with the battery replacement, because as I mentioned, I had changed the batteries in an attempt to fix this myself just about I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago, if that long. So hopefully you have another solution for me.